Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Table Cross is probably one of the most versatile and stylish additions you can make to your dining room or kitchen, offering a perfect blend of functionality and aesthetic appeal that can elevate your everyday meals and special occasions alike. Whether you're looking to protect your surfaces from heat and spills, add a touch of color and texture to your table setting, or simply create a more defined and inviting dining space, a well-chosen table cross can serve as a beautiful and practical centerpiece that complements your existing decor and enhances the overall dining experience for you and your guests. Number 5. Intercession Wall and Table Wood Cross Crucifix. Make a confident statement of your faith with this beautiful cross. It's perfect for decorating your home, church, or workplace. This handmade cross is designed to bring you peace and protection. It features the honored metal of Saint Benedict. Crafted from solid Brazilian walnut wood, it has a superior feel and high quality. The wood is highly polished for a beautiful finish. Admire the exquisite details of the crucifix and the Saint Benedict metal. It's visible on both the front and back. Each piece is prayerfully handmade in Brazil by Intercession's artisan makers. Experience supreme quality and craftsmanship. What we like. This piece is prayerfully handmade in Brazil, featuring solid Brazilian walnut wood and a detailed Saint Benedict metal. If you are looking for a cross that makes a confident statement of faith and offers a superior feel, this is the one. Its exquisite detail and craftsmanship make it ideal for those who appreciate quality and spiritual significance. What people say. The detail is good too. It would make a beautiful addition to an office space, gift for a child, gift for a class, anything. Very, very good quality throughout. The wood is sturdy and of good quality as well. Nice option to hang if you prefer. No scratches. The detail shows through and color is bronze. Exactly what I was looking for. Attention to detail shows. It does not look cheap and it is well made. This is one of the favorites I have from Amazon. Number 4. Roman Giftware Inspirational Crosswords Collection Cross. Discover the Inspirational Crosswords collection from Roman Giftware. This piece brings classic religious inspiration to any space with beautifully crafted attention to detail. It is carefully constructed of high-quality resin stoneware for lasting enjoyment. This item is extremely durable and easy to maintain. Looking for the perfect religious gift? This piece makes a thoughtful present for any holiday, sacrament celebration, birthday, or housewarming. Crafted for longevity, this item is built to be enjoyed for many years to come. Its durable construction ensures it remains a cherished piece. Add a touch of faith and inspiration to your home or office. This beautifully detailed cross is a testament to enduring quality and design. What we like. Crafted from high-quality resin stoneware, this cross boasts exceptional detail and is built for long-lasting enjoyment. If you need a durable and beautifully detailed religious item that makes an excellent gift for any occasion, consider this option. It's perfect for adding a touch of classic inspiration to any home or office space. What people say. The size is perfect. It will stand on a desk without any problems. All of the lettering is legible. Also, it was nice that the back was flat and smooth. Very well crafted, clear words, cute colors and a great gift for people of faith. The cross itself is wonderful and that's the only reason I'm giving it 4 stars. The quality is amazing, I definitely would recommend to anyone. Number 3. Juvale Wooden Cross Table Centerpieces, Pack of 3. Celebrate your special religious occasions with these beautifully crafted wooden crosses. They are expertly designed to bring a serene and spiritual ambience to any setting. Admire the detailed craftsmanship of these wood crosses, featuring an elegant cutout design. They beautifully symbolize faith and devotion, making them ideal for christening decorations. Each standing cross serves as a perfect addition to your table decor, offering a rustic yet refined presence. They seamlessly fit into various environments, enhancing both home and church settings. Crafted from durable wood, these crosses embody long-lasting quality and charm. Their robust construction ensures they remain a cherished part of your decor, inspiring reflection and peace. Measuring 6 by 2 by 9 inches, these crosses are ideal for use as centerpieces for baptisms. Their size ensures they are a versatile addition to any table, adding an elegant touch without overwhelming the space. What we like. These wooden crosses are expertly crafted with an elegant cutout design, making them perfect for baptism and christening decorations. If you are planning a religious celebration and need versatile table decor that brings a serene ambience, these are an excellent choice. Their durable wood construction ensures they will be a cherished part of your decor for years to come. What people say. Perfect size and cute. Stands on its own. Very classy and well made. They were packaged well, and these crosses are beautiful for any type of Christian ceremony. Number 2. Bright Creations Wooden Crosses Craft Kit. Unleash your creativity with our wooden crosses, perfect for a variety of craft projects. They are ideal for Easter themes and religious decorations, and even come with stands for easy display. Elevate your special occasions with these beautiful wooden crosses. They are perfect for baptism, centerpieces, and religious gatherings, adding a touch of sophistication to any table. Each cross comes with a sturdy stand, ensuring it stays perfectly in place. This makes them ideal for table decor and bulk displays, offering a polished look. These crosses are ready for your personal touch. Their unfinished surface is perfect for painting and embellishing, allowing for unique and diverse creative projects. Choose from 3 different sizes to suit your needs. Whether you need small pocket crosses or larger decorative pieces, they integrate seamlessly into any setting. This bulk set provides plenty of crosses for all your crafting needs. You'll have more than enough for parties, home decor, or any creative endeavor. What we like. This bulk set of wooden crosses serves as a versatile foundation for DIY crafts, featuring sturdy stands for easy display. If you're looking for a creative project or need elegant centerpieces for religious events like baptisms, these are ideal. Their unfinished surface invites personalization, making them perfect for unique expressions and diverse creative projects. What people say. The table cross is a sturdy and well-built product that feels durable. Its compact design makes it easy to store when not in use. The unique cross-shaped base provides excellent stability for various tabletop items. Number 1. Juvale 3-pack unfinished wooden crosses. Unleash your creativity with these unfinished wooden crosses. Their smooth surface is perfect for painting, staining, or adding your own personal touch to any craft project. Crafted from high-quality poplar plywood, these crosses are built to last. They offer a smooth finish and a sturdy base for all your decorative ideas. Add an elegant and meaningful touch to any setting with these versatile crosses. They are perfect for centerpieces or as standing decorations for special occasions like Easter. This set includes 3 wooden crosses, providing ample opportunities for creativity. They are ideal for DIY home decor or for crafting unique, personalized gifts. Their clever standing design makes them easy to place on tables or shelves. They effortlessly add sophistication to your space, whether for decor or display. What we like. Made from high-quality unfinished poplar wood with a smooth finish, these crosses offer boundless potential for DIY crafts and personalization. If you enjoy painting, staining, or embellishing wooden items to create unique decor or gifts, this complete craft set is perfect for you. Their standing design allows for effortless placement, adding sophistication to any table or shelf. What people say. The table cross is very sturdy and well made, with a beautiful finish that complements any decor. It's the perfect size for my dining table, and the intricate design adds a touch of elegance to my home. I love how versatile this table cross is. It can be used for special occasions or as an everyday centerpiece. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.